Over 28 million tons of pineapples are harvested around the world each year, with Indonesia, the Philippines, and Costa Rica topping the list of producers. Behind this impressive number is a remarkable system that combines skilled labor, modern farming techniques, and advanced machinery. What does it really take to bring these sweet golden fruits from the farm to your table? Let's dive into the fascinating world of pineapple harvesting and discover how it all happens. Pineapple plants start in labs using tissue culture, then move to coconut-filled pots and nurseries to develop roots before being transplanted to fields. In addition to laboratory propagation methods, farmers also grow pineapples using the crowns of mature pineapple plants. After harvest, the healthiest crowns are selected and replanted in nurseries, where they develop new shoots. These shoots are later separated and used to grow new pineapple plants. Before planting in the fields, farmers cover the prepared soil with black plastic mulch. Pineapple farming is a major global industry, especially in tropical regions. In 2023, Indonesia led with over 3 million tons, followed by the Philippines and Costa Rica. These top producers rely on large, well-organized farming systems to meet global demand. Farmers cover pineapple plants with black tarps to prevent weed growth, conserve soil moisture, and maintain a stable temperature, all of which help the plants grow stronger and healthier. Harvesting pineapples is a careful job. On big farms, workers use special machines called boom harvesters. These machines move slowly through the fields so that workers can check each pineapple and only pick the ripe ones. After picking, the pineapples are placed on moving belts that carry them to the middle of the machine. There, other workers load them onto trucks by hand. In some areas, farmers don't use machines for harvesting. Instead, they rely entirely on manual labor, carrying heavy baskets or crates of pineapples on their shoulders across long rows of fields. Each basket can weigh 20 to 30 kilograms, and farmers often make multiple trips under the hot sun. Once picked, the pineapple trucks deliver the fruit to the nearest packing shed. The pineapple sorting machine efficiently categorizes pineapples by size and weight, using a system of dividers and gates. Once assessed, pineapples are directed into pathways that match their size or weight category. The machine adjusts its sorting criteria automatically to ensure similar-sized fruits are grouped together. When the pineapples arrive at the packing facility, the cleaning process begins right away. First, they are dipped into a large water tank. This helps loosen dirt, small insects, and any other debris stuck to the surface of the fruit. The water in the tank is carefully treated with a small amount of disinfectant to remove bacteria and other harmful agents. Afterward, workers carefully place the pineapples into boxes, ensuring that the fruit is handled gently to prevent any damage. Each box is filled with pineapples of uniform size and weight for consistent packaging. Finally, workers quickly apply tags to each fruit, efficiently stamping labels onto the leaves at an impressive speed. This step ensures that each pineapple is properly identified for shipment and market distribution. Pineapples aren't just packed whole. They're also processed into various convenient forms for distribution. One popular product is frozen pineapple chunks. First, the pineapples are peeled to remove the tough outer skin. Then, they're carefully cut into bite-sized chunks. These pieces are quickly frozen to lock in freshness and flavor, before being neatly packaged and prepared for shipment to stores around the world. Behind every slice of premium salami lies a massive high-tech system of pig farming. We're talking about industrial-scale operations where thousands of pigs are raised. These farms are like miniature cities, divided into specialized zones. Breeding areas for sows, nurseries for piglets, grow-out pens for market-ready pigs, and even dedicated waste treatment facilities to keep everything clean and efficient. The journey from the farm to a delicious salami starts with pigs that are freshly slaughtered in a way that follows strict animal welfare standards. What happens next is quite amazing. Jobs that used to require a lot of human effort are now done by machines. Thanks to modern technology, robots and automated cutters can slice the meat with incredible accuracy, making the process faster, cleaner, and more efficient than ever before. What makes Italian salami so famous around the world? It's more than just a sausage. It's a symbol of tradition, craftsmanship, and flavor that has been perfected over centuries. In this episode, we're taking you behind the scenes of a traditional salami factory in Italy, where old-world methods are still used and nothing is rushed. You'll witness the magic of transforming raw meat into a delicacy loved across the globe. Salami has a history as rich as its flavor. It dates back to ancient Mesopotamia around 3000 BC and was later enjoyed by Egyptians. But it was the Etruscans of ancient Italy who turned it into something special, salting wild boar and pork to make compact, protein-rich snacks for their hunting trips. The Romans picked up the tradition and spread it across Italy. Eventually, farmers began crafting salami at home, gifting them to nobles who hunted on their lands. Today, this ancient food has evolved into one of the world's most beloved cured meats. A bite of history in every slice. Then the butchers get to work separating lean cuts from the creamy white fat. And here's a fun fact. The perfect salami depends on this balance. Too much fat, and it feels greasy. Too little, and you lose that luxurious mouthfeel. It's a science of flavor and texture. Look at this. High above the factory floor, a suspended rail system carries giant salamis from one area to another. These hanging tracks keep the salamis moving smoothly through each stage. It's like a salami highway in the sky. And here's where the magic truly begins: fermentation. For around 6 days, the salamis rest in temperature and humidity-controlled rooms. During this time, friendly microbes feed on the sugars in the meat, producing lactic acid, which naturally lowers the pH, making it safe from harmful bacteria. In some varieties, a snowy white mold called penicillium is added. Not only does it protect the salami from drying out too quickly, but it also gives that signature aroma. The fat is finely minced and mixed with the lean pork in industrial meat grinders that can process tons of meat per hour. Some even have built-in refrigeration to keep the mixture cool during grinding. A starter culture, think of it as beneficial bacteria, is added to jumpstart fermentation. They mix in salt, black pepper, garlic, and just a hint of white wine. Not too much. The goal isn't to overshadow the pork, but to elevate it. After fermentation, the salami gets a gentle wash, removing excess mold and any surface residue. Then comes drying and aging, a slow process that can last anywhere from 3 weeks to over 2 months. The longer it hangs, the deeper and richer the flavor becomes. It's during this stage that the salami loses just the right amount of moisture, reaching the ideal density. Modern pork cutting machines have completely revolutionized the way we handle large-scale pig processing. The real game changer is automation. With advanced sensors, blade alignment systems, and computer-guided cutting programs, these machines can split entire carcasses and portion them into specific cuts: hams, shoulders, loins, ribs, with incredible accuracy. Once blended to perfection, the mixture is packed into casings. These can be natural casings made from pork or beef intestines, or synthetic ones for larger batches that require uniformity. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. The salami is either packaged whole or pre-sliced. For pre-sliced versions, each piece is carefully arranged in trays, vacuum sealed, or packed using modified atmosphere technology to keep it fresh for weeks. If you're as obsessed with meat as we are, drop a comment below. What's your favorite way to enjoy salami?